In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a flow in automation. To get started, open the automation section and go to flows. This is where you'll build and manage automated journeys. So if you're creating something new, this is the right place to begin. Once you're there, click the new flow button. This opens the setup process and gives you a clean starting point for building your automation. Next, you'll choose how you want to begin. You can select a starting template if you want a faster setup with a structure already in place. Templates are useful because they give you a head start and can save time, especially if you're creating a common type of flow. If you prefer full control over the setup, choose Start from Scratch instead. This option is great when you want to build everything exactly the way you need it from the ground up. After that, you'll begin designing the flow itself. From the Canvas menu, drag and drop the steps you want to use into the workspace. You'll typically see options like messages, actions, and conditions. Messages are used when you want the flow to send something out. Actions help the system perform a task automatically. Conditions let you create decision points, so the flow can branch based on user behavior or other criteria. As you build, take your time arranging these elements in a way that makes the sequence easy to understand. A clear layout can make future edits much easier. When placing steps on the canvas, think about the order in which things should happen. Start with the entry point, then connect the next step logically. If you're using conditions, make sure each possible path leads to the right follow-up action or message. Even a simple flow becomes much more useful when the structure is organized and intentional. Once everything is in place and you've reviewed the setup, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This is the step that activates your flow and makes it live. If you skip publishing, your work may be saved, but it won't actually run. Before you publish, it's a good idea to do one final check of your steps and connections so you can be confident everything works the way you expect. And that's it. You've now created a flow, customized it on the canvas, and published it so it's ready to run.